Person 1. Hi, where are you headed? Person 2. I'm going to New York City. I have a meeting with a client. How about you? Person 1. I'm going to Chicago. I'm meeting my family for a vacation. We're going to explore the city and visit some of the landmarks. Person 2. That sounds like fun. I've never been to Chicago before. What are some of the things you're looking forward to doing? Person 1. We're going to visit the Willis Tower, take a stroll along the Magnificent Mile, and try some deep dish pizza. We also want to take a boat tour of Lake Michigan. Person 2. That sounds like a great itinerary. I might have to add some of those things to my own list for next time I'm in Chicago. Do you have any tips for navigating the airport? Person 1. Yes, definitely. Make sure to check in online and print your boarding pass before you get to the airport. Also, be prepared for security checks and plan your layovers accordingly. And don't forget to leave some extra time for your flight. Person 2. Thanks for the tips. I'll definitely keep those in mind. Have you traveled through this airport before? Person 1. Yes, I have. It's a pretty easy airport to navigate, but there are a lot of shops and restaurants to explore if you have some extra time. And don't forget to check out the art installations in the terminals. Person 2. That sounds like a great idea. Well, I should probably get going if I want to make my flight on time. Thanks for chatting with me. Person 1. No problem at all. Safe travels. This conversation is just an example, but it shows how two people might strike up a conversation at an airport and share some helpful tips and recommendations with each other.